So, hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal 7 days, seven tarot messages for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of July till the 2nd of August 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. Will find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Cappies. Overall energy for Capricorn people for this week. So we have the Two of Pentacles. You are going to be quite confused about a situation. There's going to be a lot of back and forth about what you should do and what you should not do regarding a situation. It might be between two people, two situations, two circumstances, or in general, you might feel confused and lost in your life in some area of your life, maybe. But there is this back and forth, on and off, in and out kind of full of confusion kind of energy. For most of you, it's related to your stability, like money, job, career, finances, or some kind of real estate, or some kind of home situation, or something like that. Okay, so there is going to be a little bit of confusion in some kind of something that is directly related to your stability, directly or indirectly related to your stability energies. For some of you, it's like financial upheaval, financial up and down, on and off kind of energy. Cool. Let's see. For 27th of July, we have the Justice. If you are going through some kind of courtroom drama, or you are seeking for some kind of legal justice or balance in your life, there are very good chances of you guys getting the results of that karmic thing as per your karma. So if you have done nothing wrong, you have nothing to worry about, you have nothing to uh, be scared of. But if you have done something wrong and still you are hoping for the results to go in your favor, I don't think so that's happening. But because the universe is working on the karmic justice thing right now. 28, we have the Devil. This is your card only. So Capricorn, there might be certain people, situations, or things that you might be very addicted to, and you know it's not good for you. Still you are entertaining these energies, still you are operating from this unhealthy energies, toxic patterns, and toxicity and negativity, maybe codependent kind of energies. Try to get rid of these energies as soon as possible before it's going to become something very difficult to deal with, and it's going to be a shit show, and you are going to feel that your life is ruined. So try not to get involved in something, or with someone where you know all you're going to get is very bad kind of energies in return, or the end result is going to destroy you or destroy your life in some way. 29th, we have the Four of Pentacles. You are going to be holding on to something very tightly. Might be a job of yours, might be a savings or investment of yours, or maybe you're going to feel a little bit uh, tired financially. You are going to feel like, I should save more, I should not do any more, what we call that, any more spendings, I should not do any more shopping, I should not spend too much money. So it's like you guys trying to save your money as much as you can, and trying your best to keep a tight budget or tight hand, and not to do something to destroy your financial health. So we have 27, 28, 29. 30th, we have the Three of Swords. There is going to be some kind of heartbreak or hurt or painful energies around you. Might be you're going to get a news that is going to upset you, or there is going to be some kind of ongoing pain that is going to get triggered a little bit more than what it is at this present moment. So I think you will be able to get healed, you will be able to move on from this pain slowly but surely. But something or someone might trigger some kind of painful memory of yours. For some of you, it's like you getting physically injured, or you getting physically in pain or something like that. I just hope it's not related to your heart or some kind of heart related issues. If this is a medical issue that you're already going through, don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly. Don't ignore the red flags. Don't avoid the red flags, because it's going to be very difficult to deal with in the coming future if you're not going to take care of it properly. Okay. So we have 27, 20, 29, 30. 31st, we have the Ace of Wands. Your intuition is going to guide you to a lot of people, situations, or things that are going to help you to move forward in your life, especially if you are working on your uh, spiritual growth, or you are working on your healing, or you are starting or restarting something that you're very, very passionate about in your life. So your intuition is going to guide you a lot. Try to stay in touch with your intuition as much as you can. The intuition is like our gut. If our gut is telling us something is wrong, something is off, even if you don't know the reason, just don't go for that thing. If your gut is telling you go ahead and make something happen, even if you're going to face obstacles or challenges, you will be able to do that. Go for it. Okay. That is what our intuition is. Intuition is always going to tell us the truth, clear cut, crystal clear truth. No ifs and buts, no explanation, nothing. That's intuition talking to us. Okay. Before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for my 7 days, 7 chakra, 7 Osho meditation camp that's happening from 1st till the 7th of August 2026. I said the date wrong in every other video, so you are the first in which I'm telling the dates right. It's 1st till the 7th of August 2026, 9 till the 10, 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning. There is going to be a lot of chakra cleansing, chakra healing, and a lot of blockages getting removed from your system within these 7 days. It's going to accelerate the healing process or your spiritual growth process. Results are going to vary from person to person, so nobody can guarantee what exactly you're going to get. That's a miracle, that's a mystery that you guys have to figure out yourself. The fees for Indians is 3,500 rupees, and for others it's 200 USD. And you should be 16 plus, and you should have the courage to keep the camera on throughout the 7 days process and join all the 7 day classes to see the real healing. Okay, to feel the real healing happening. So I'll see you on the other side. Read all the instructions and everything properly before you guys are going to apply. The link is in the description box for the same. I'll see you on the other side. Very, very excited to do this festival with you. I'm sorry, I'm a little tired because I'm making videos since morning and my throat is going down now. 1st August, we have the Page of Pentacles. This is going to be just the start of something brand new, but this has the potential to become a really stable, really long term, or really something meaningful in the coming future. So, if taken care of properly, if done with a proper guidance, proper stability, proper grounded kind of energy, this situation actually has the potential to become something really good in the future, especially if it is something related to your business or career or job that you're starting or restarting, or trying to. 2nd of August, we have the Three of Cups. You guys celebrating some kind of good news, good vibes, good people, good energies around you. You might be attending some kind of a function or ceremony or get together, whatever it is, or you are going, if you are waiting for some kind of collaboration or partnership, that might also happen. There are very good energies of celebrating something with your people and feeling really very, very good about it. Nice, very nice. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, Capricorn. So we have the Sun card. Keep things as clear as you can from your side if you want to be happy in your life. Especially this week, let's talk about this week only. If you want no trouble, no issues, okay, nothing that is going to bother your peace of mind, keep things as crystal clear as you can with yourself, with other people around you. Your communication should be crystal clear, your agenda should be clear, your intention should be clear, why you want, what you want, why you are doing what you are doing, especially if it is impacting some other person's life also, or some other people also around you, right? So keeping things crystal clear and keeping things uh, fair is going to give you a lot of, it's going to save you from a lot of trouble or a lot of heavy and burdensome kind of energies that might pop up if you are not going to keep things clear and certain, with other people and other energies around you. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.